English grammar class. Myself Mansi Devnani. Today we are going to start new chapter of SAM 2, that is lesson number 14, past continuous. Now in past continuous, what is the rule to apply here is was, were plus V1 ing. In all these sentences we have to apply was, were plus V1 ing. was किस में अप्लाई होता है? जिसमें सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होता है, और वर किस में अप्लाई होता है? जहां पर सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होता है. तो लेट्स सी इन द एक्सरसाइज. When you came in, I write a letter. Now, when you came in, I के साथ क्या लगेगा? Was. I was writing a letter. ब्रैकेट में राइट है, उसे हमको करना है was writing and then complete the same sentence. एक letter. Now next is when I saw him, he wear a red shirt. So we will write the same thing here. When I saw him, यहाँ तक पूरा सेम लिखना है. Then he wear है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? Was wearing. He was wearing a red shirt. Now, he worked in a factory when I met him last. So, again we will write here, he work के साथ हो जाएगा was working. क्योंकि हमको बनाना है past continuous. past के लिए हमने यूज किया was and continuous के लिए ing. He was working in a factory when I met him last. See, I don't have here the space, so you have to write in your notebook the complete sentence. I met him last. The sun shined when we went out. The sun shine का हो जाएगा was shining. When we went out. So here similarly some more examples are given. The car had nobody in it but the engine run. So run पे ब्रैकेट है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? The car had nobody in it but the engine was running. So आपको ये सारे sentences में past continuous ऐड करना है. Now next topic is answer the following questions in complete sentence. Was it raining yesterday? तो आपको yes और no में आंसर देना है. It's better to write in yes क्योंकि आप जब no में आंसर देते हो तो पूरे सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बनाना पड़ता है. तो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस is very easy to write. So we will write here in positive sentence. Was it raining yesterday? We will write yes, it was raining yesterday. मैं आपको नेगेटिव सेंटेंस भी बता देती हूँ कि आप किस तरह से बना सकते हो. No, we will write here for negative sentence. We will write here no. It was का हो जाएगा wasn't raining yesterday. So some कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो भूल जाते हैं no it was लगा देंगे तो आंसर wrong हो जाएगा. That is why I am teaching you to write in positive statements. Who was knocking at the door? So you can write anybody's name. I am writing Nisha. Nisha was knocking at the door. Now, where were you going yesterday? आप कल कहाँ जा रहे थे? तो we can write कि that I was going to the market yesterday. Where were you? जब हम I लिखेंगे तो I के साथ क्या हो जाएगा टर्न? Was. I was going to the market yesterday. Which book was Misha reading? Misha कौन सी बुक रीड कर रही थी? तो we can write anything. She was reading grammar book. She was reading a story book. So let's write Misha was reading a story book. boys were playing in the park. So we can write any number, 20 boys, 15 boys, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं आप. Let's write 20 boys were playing in the park. Next, one more example is there. What were you doing in the room? आप रूम में क्या कर रहे थे? तो we can write I was reading a book in the room or I was dancing in the room. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. That's on you. So for today, till here. Thank you.